Hey folks, welcome back to Panama Property Guru, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to navigate the Panama real estate market. Unlocking the secrets to reliable information. So, if you're ready to demystify the process, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's unlock the secrets of Panama real estate together. Now, Panama is a gem for real estate opportunities, but let's be real. Finding reliable information can feel like searching for buried treasure. Fear not. Today, we're arming you with the knowledge to uncover the most trustworthy information. First on our list, reliable sources. When diving into the Panama real estate market, it's crucial to rely on reputable sources. Local real estate agencies and Acobir MLS can be your go-to for accurate and up-to-date information. Local classified online platforms aren't always dependable. Next up, understanding market trends. Stay informed about the current trends in the Panama real estate market. Keep an eye on property values, rental trends, and upcoming developments. This knowledge can be your compass in making informed decisions. Networking is key. Connect with local real estate professionals, attend expos, and engage in online forums. The insights you gain from networking can be invaluable. You might uncover hidden opportunities or learn about potential challenges from those who have navigated the market. And speaking of success, if you're serious about your Panama real estate venture, why not take the next step? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we're here to assist you in unlocking the secrets to success. There you have it, unlocking the secrets to reliable information in Panama real estate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so you stay in the loop. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Panama Property Guru. Until next time, happy hunting for those real estate treasures, and we'll catch you in the next video.